Yung room, may natutulog. Shh. Tapos, ayan yung ano. Wow. May walk-in closet. May walk-in safe. Which is not safe. Which is safe. Tapos, ito yung bathroom. Pwede. No bidet. No bidet. Pero, ayan. Walang toothpaste. Walang toothbrush. Ay, hindi. Meron pala. Legit. Meron pala. Okay. What else?